this is going to be what's in my box today. So, without further ado, I'm going to try it and open this box and tell you what's in it. It's in like a credit fine. Oh, wait, open it and disassemble it. Okay, there it is. Try to find a way to open it. I need a sharp object, and I will show you. Have a key in it. Okay. Get it somewhere with her. Alright, getting it open. So, let's see what's in this box. Okay, I got an interesting little paper. It's my shipping stuff. Okay, I got this envelope. And, lo and behold, I got Timpani mallets. Woohoo! And top it off, I with pony, so I'm gonna open these up and show you the mallets and what they look like on the inside. So, right here is it's a Salyers percussion. This is a Kirk mallet. Right here, as you can see it kind of engraved with the Salyers percussion. And I can't wait to bang them on the Timpani really soon. Stay tuned for more.